In this video, I'm showing you how to download VLC Media Player for Windows 10. If you're new to the channel, please go down below, hit that subscribe button, I really do appreciate it, and go and leave a like as well. I hope you found this video useful. I'm showing you the full process, so without any further ado, let's go and get into this. So the first thing we need to go and do is simply go and open up a search browser. So let's go and open up here. I use Google Chrome, and then you can come to a search engine such as Google. And all you want to do is search VLC Media Player. Now do keep watching, I'm showing you the official site to download from, as there are going to be others which could possibly be viruses. So you want to make sure you come to videoland.org, or just the one right at the top of the search, but if it's an ad, don't click it, and then come to videoland.org. Of course the URL may change in the future, but this is the current one. So click here and it's going to take you straight to the website. Now on the home page it does say download VLC, but if we look down here, it does tell us a few things about how this is the Windows 64-bit. So if you are on, say, a 32-bit or you're not sure, all you want to do is simply search on this magnifying glass, click here, and simply search About, and then you want to go and click on About Your PC. And this is going to open up here, and you want to come down to System Type. As you can see, mine is 64-bit. If yours says something else like 32-bit, so you want to click on the downloads arrow, and it's going to give you more options. So if you're looking for the 32-bit, you want to simply go and click on Windows. Then this is going to be the 32-bit version. It was going to start downloading, but majority of people do have 64-bit, so I'm going to click here and it's going to go and start the 64-bit download, and then it will go and run through the full install and the basic uses of it. So it's around 60 megabytes, so it shouldn't take too long to download. And once it's finished downloading, all you want to do is simply click on it, and then you're going to get a Windows security pop-up, which I can't record, but yeah, it's fairly simple. Then here we go, you simply want to go and select English, and then you want to go and go through the setup, so click Next. Make sure you do read the agreement and agree with it, and once you have, go and click Next, and then you can go and choose all of this stuff is going to go and install. So personally, I don't want a lot of this stuff, so I'm going to go and click on Custom and change it to minimum even, and then it's going to go and only the stuff it actually needs to do, and then go and click Next, and then you can go and choose the destination folder, and then you can go and click Install, and here we go, it's installing. This shouldn't take too long at all. As you can see, it's now finished, and I'm going to go and click Finish. So now we've got VLC Media Player here, or you can go and search it here, and you can go and find the application. So you want to go and open it up. Now you can use VLC Media Player to view certain files, so you can go and run a video. So if you want to open it up, you simply right click on it, and then you can go and click Open with VLC Media Player. Otherwise, you can also use this software to convert stuff. So you click on Media, and you have all of these options here. As you can see, you've got File, Disk, Convert. So yeah, there's tons of options. If you found this video useful, please go down below, hit the subscribe button, leave a like. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.